If there is any additional information or changes, your TA will inform you before the experiment begins.
An oxidation-reduction reaction involves the transfer of electrons between two species. In today's experiment, you will determine the oxidizing capacity of bleach in an unknown cleaner with these materials. To set up the microburette with your titrant, fill half a medium test tube with a 0.15 molar sodium thiosulfate titrant. With the plunger pushed in, dip it into a medium test tube and draw approximately 1 milliliter of solution. Tip the microburette slightly up, tap the burette with a finger, and expel any air bubbles. Place it in a 50 milliliter beaker until you're ready to titrate. Weigh and record the mass of a 25 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask into milligrams. Next, add 0.08 to 0.09 grams of liquid bleach, which should be between 2 and 4 drops. Weigh and record the new mass. Add 5 milliliters of water, 0.2 grams of potassium iodide, and swirl the flask. If the solid remains on the wall of the flask, rinse the flask with the solution. Record the volume of the microburette and slowly add the titrant to the Erlenmeyer flask. Record the volume in the microburette and slowly add the titrant into the Erlenmeyer flask. When the color begins to fade to yellow, add a milliliter of starch indicator and continue to titrate. Remember not to dispense your titrant past the 0 milliliter mark. Record the new volume in the burette as soon as the solution turns clear and the titration is complete. If the titrant runs out prior to the endpoint, retrieve more, record the new volume, and continue to add. Between trials, empty the contents of the Erlenmeyer flask into a waste container and rinse with distilled water. The following can be calculated with the data collected from the titration. The techniques and calculations discussed in the video can be applied to determine the weight of sodium hypochlorite in a solution of unknown concentration.